Hello, my name is Zoe Mellick, and I am a tutor and guest lecturer in the Faculty of Creative Industries. I teach into the foundational creative industry units and also fashion history and theory units. I use screen capture technology in my teaching practice, and in my STARS resource, I modeled how to use QUT library resources and cite to first year fashion students. In this short instructable, I'd like to share with you some lessons learned and principles to creating short and effective screen captures to support the learning of your students. Screen capture is a great option for instructable videos, as you can demonstrate an activity one step at a time. Viewers can see what's happening on your screen's computer, and you can narrate instructions along the way. You can use this technology to connect students to specific tools and resources they need. The end result is a video that you can email to students or upload to Blackboard, and this has huge benefits for enhancing and complementing their varied learning styles and processes. Some students like to watch and listen to videos multiple times, and others may only use them to get specific information. When thinking about creating a valuable resource for your students' learning, I'd recommend 3 principles to guide your video: connect, contextualize, and clarify. When thinking about what resources you would like to create, think about it as an opportunity to connect students to resources they might not be familiar with. For example, connect first-year students to cite. This will be a new tool for them, and referencing styles can get confusing, especially if you are studying across different faculties. Show them something they will need throughout their academic life. Or if you teach external master's students, show them through their unit outline and Blackboard page. A benefit of creating your own resources is that they can engage students in the discipline's context and be a form of academic support. By contextualizing the resource into the subject at hand, you can make the resource meaningful to the learning objectives of the unit, and also accessible to students who come into the unit from different education levels and contexts. For example, if an assessment requires referenced academic images, you can explain where appropriate resources are located, find an example image, and demonstrate how to reference that image with Harvard-style referencing. This gives students a sense of understanding about what the assessment should look like before formative feedback. Use this as an opportunity to clarify and establish assessment expectations and procedures. Remember, these are not lectures. 2 to 3 minute videos are the optimum time frame, as it captures and holds your students' attention and ensures the delivery of the most important information. If you are worried that a particular notion you want to capture will be too long, try splitting the instructable into bite-sized videos so students can access certain parts when they might need them. In this video, we looked at how integrating screen capture can benefit student learning, as well as 3 guiding principles of effective screen capture. The next video will detail how to use screen capture technology and top tips for success.